Hi, this is your co-host Sid.
And this is your co-host Sharfuz.
LinkedIn is one place where you can professionally network with anyone from your alumni to industry professionals that you admire.
But what is the best way to send a connection request? Your message way is the most important bit, as most people are busy, and especially recruiters. They may read it very quickly and decide to connect or not.
So how do you send a proper connection request?
Oh my god, you work at TCS, I would love to work there. Oh my god, here's my resume, can you please give me a job there? I can be a really good employee.
Whoa. No, definitely not like that. Here are 3 ways to send a good LinkedIn connection request. Number 1, don't just hit the connect button, write a personalized message.
Number 2, how do you send a personalized invite? Tell them if you met them before. Are they an alumni of your school? Were they in the same major? Were you colleagues before? Or just try to relate to that person as much as you can. That's how you can make it very personal and get that person's attention.
Number 3, why are you sending this message? So say something like, I saw you work at Careers Uncorked as a product manager, and that is my career path. I would love to hear why you chose to work in product management and what it's like to work at Careers Uncorked.
So get out there and expand your professional network. We can wait to see what you do.
If you have any questions or tips that you want to share with our community, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like and follow us for more career tips in the future.